Episode 14, guys. Today we have the engine on one side, Supra on the other side. So I just took it out to get some parts, and we're gonna do a bunch of cool stuff today. Now we're gonna get the belt. Be sure that everything is aligned the way we need. Move this gear, that way. See, it gotta be that way, not this way. So I need to go one more revolution, and we're gonna start by this one. Nice, that's perfect. So you will start from here. Be sure that this is tight. So from the bottom to here, it should be very tight, should have no slack at all. Then we're gonna go inside, and then this one is also aligned. Nice, now I got it. Cool. Nice. So for the tensioner, you push it in as you can. Don't take anything. No, don't take the pin, don't take the rubber piece either, because that's it protects it. So you double check line, not the dot, the line with the line, the BC line with the line. But if it wasn't BC, again would be a line or a dot. And down here it's also good. Everything is good. This side is very tight, here is fine. So I see I don't have any teeth off, and my tensioner is still with the pin. So now I'm gonna turn this 2 revolutions. I see down there, and there you go. Line, lined, and aligned. See this plus sign here should be aligned with this 0, and it is not. So we're gonna loosen all those bolts here, and now we get the inside one, and we're gonna move, and there you go. It's very aligned. Of course the lines are not there anymore because I turned. So yeah, the engine is timed. What we do now, see the timing belt, we take the tensioner pin out. Now the hydraulic is pushing and the timing belt is tensioned. So now we're going to put the timing belt bottom cover, which gives us the degrees here, easy if we need to time the engine. And you have this belt support in here, or this is actually, it prevents the belt from jumping out. Look at how it is. Flip it and go in. You put this cover, and this is right there. And now we are going to put the 5 bolts in here. I'm going to torque here 12 millimeter, 22 foot-pound. The tensioner. Nice. Now we're going to put the serpentine belt tensioner over there. It goes like this, and torque at 15 foot-pound, 3 bolts. Here on the bottom has also the service port, and I bought a brand new service port cover. Just a little touch. The super dumper is a pain in the butt to put in there. It is very tight, and you have 2 options. You can get the crank bolt, but then you run into the problem that you start your thread and then you start pushing the threads. You might screw this thread or the thread from your crankshaft. Bad idea. So there are tools you can buy, and you need to be sure that whatever tool is going to have the same thread pitch that your crankshaft have. I had a crankshaft remover, and unfortunately I broke it, but this is, I just went to Ace hardware store, got this nut, and what I'm gonna do is I got a bunch of washers, a bunch of them, and one larger one. Okay, we're gonna push this guy, and you need to have enough washers that this is out so you can turn in here. The more you turn, the more it's gonna push this in there. This is the deal. Dowel pin, find your dowel pin where it is. I'm gonna push this guy and start trying to grab some thread. Okay, One thing you gotta do is put a tire bar. I already have like 2 zip ties just to keep the tire bar in place. And when I turn, those 2 bolts on the crank are gonna hold in here. Just like that. You can see this bolt right there. Before I go all the way to the end, I'm gonna tighten this, guys. It says 28 foot-pound. I am going to put blue Loctite. Get other pulleys, so I got this one here, for example. See if it aligns. I think it needs a little more. Now we put the OEM bolt in there. And there you go. The bottom bolt is torqued at 236 foot-pound. So we have the dampener in there. It's Super Dumper, actually, ATI Super Dumper. We have the tensioner here, so you see that this aligns properly. So we know that's all the way to the bottom. Those guys here and the power steering pump, which goes on the other side, I am going to powder coat orange. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go inside, eat something. Do not forget to subscribe and check out the playlist. So hit the little bell button and it's gonna tell you every time I have a new video. And I have every 4 days I have 1 episode. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Later.